Hey guys, welcome to the first lecture of the course where we will be doing some actual Excel work. Now, this course is for beginners, so I'm going to teach you how to go from knowing absolutely nothing to becoming a master in Excel. Okay? First thing we're going to learn is how to actually open Excel, which is probably a good start. Now, you can do this a number of ways. Now, I'm going to show you all the ways that I know, right? First method is to search for it. Now to do that, we're going to go down here to the start button, all right? Click on that. Now it's going to come up with this window. All right, from here, you just type in Excel, okay? So Excel, I think that's how you spell it. And you'll see it's here right on the top of the list. From here, you just want to click on this link like so. And there we have Microsoft Excel. That's the quick way to open it up. Okay. Now, if you have Windows 8, I'm using Windows 7. It's a very similar process. I'll be dropping a picture up to show you exactly where the search function is, right? But the same thing, you type in Excel, find it on your list, and you click it, and that'll open up Excel. Now, there's another way to open Excel, but it takes a little bit of setup. Now, I think this is the best way going forward because you're going to be opening up Excel a hell of a lot of times. So, what we're going to do is we're going to create a shortcut on your desktop. Now, what is your desktop? For those of you who don't know, it's this background bit here, not the mountains. It's everything here. So, all the buttons, everything that is on the background here is your desktop. Okay, get rid of my ugly drawing. So what we're going to do is, as you can see, there's already things here. There's keyboard, Windows Start, Trend, Tax, and so on. We're going to add a Excel button right here. To do this, we're going to do some setup. So again, back to the Start menu. Click here. Okay, let's look for Excel again by typing Excel. Okay, now from here, we're going to go right click on your mouse, like so. From here, we're going to click on Open File Location. Okay, so click on that. All right, now this window will come up. So what is this window? This window just says where your program is installed on your computer. You don't need to know the details. You just got to know which one Excel is, which is this one here. Okay, this is what we're going to work with. All this other stuff, don't worry about it. Okay, don't need to know. What we're going to do is we're going to go right click. Okay, now near the bottom you're going to see create shortcut. Okay, click on that. Now a message will come up. Now this is just telling me that this is a shortcut, so we can't create another shortcut here. Do I want to put it on the desktop? And you say yes. For those of you who get this message, press yes. For those of you who don't, what's going to happen is a file is going to get created here. All you need to do is click on that file and drag it to your desktop. And that's it. Okay, and that will create the link. Now as you can see, when I created that link, it's at the bottom here. Okay, now this is a little bit of a setup, so if you're not comfortable with it, by all means use the first method. Okay, but what this means for us is instead of having to always type it in, you can just double click here. So if we double click, there's Excel. So it's easier because you don't have to try and look for it. Okay, that's another method. Now let's do the last one. I think most of you are going to be using this last method a lot more. Okay, so first let's go to the Start menu. Type in Excel, Excel. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to drag this Excel to the taskbar. What is the taskbar? The taskbar is this bottom piece here. As you can see, I've already got a lot of icons at the bottom. And in fact, I've already got Excel down there, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this first. Okay, let's unpin this from the taskbar. I'm going to show you guys how to put Excel at the bottom so you can just select Excel from here. Okay, So click on start. We want to go Excel, Excel. Think about it. Now, as you can see, it's on the top of the list. Let's right click. Okay. Now it's going to go pin to taskbar. Okay, so we'll select that. As you can see, it is now down here. So instead of always searching for it or clicking here, we can just click here, like so. And that'll open up Excel. Okay, so pick your favorite. Doesn't really matter which one. I prefer this last one, right? But all in all, they all do the same thing. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you next time.